Hi, this is Richard Chamberlain. Welcome back to the Protecting Your Family's Future podcast. This is episode number 132, and today we're going to be talking about the state of the estate tax in 2025. So, with every new year comes new estate tax exemptions, and people are concerned about what is happening with the estate tax and what may happen in the future in the estate tax. So, I want to talk about that today. Now, if you don't know, the estate tax is a tax on the value of a person's estate when they pass away. Every estate tax has an estate tax exemption. That is the amount where if you have assets below that number, there is no tax to be applied because that first amount is exempt. Now, currently, the federal estate tax exemption for the year 2025 is $13.99 million. So if you have less than $13.99 million, you do not have to worry about an estate tax being assessed on your estate when you pass away. If you're married, you and your spouse both have a 13.99 estate tax, $13.99 million estate tax exemption in the year 2025. So combined, a married couple can shelter almost $28 million from the federal estate tax. The issue is in the year 2026, so in about 11 months, that law is scheduled to change. Back in 2017, the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017 was passed, and that is where the estate tax exemption was changed. The exemption was effectively doubled, and it has continued to increase since then. But because of the way that law was passed, the law, the TCJA, will sunset in the year 2026, meaning that law will just go away if Congress doesn't do something to extend it or modify it somehow. What that means is the estate tax exemption is going to revert back to what it would have been in 2017, which was $5 million. That number is indexed to inflation. So if Congress doesn't do something between now and the end of 2025, the estate tax exemption for next year will be roughly $7 million per person or $14 million for a married couple. Now, that still doesn't impact a whole lot of people, but if it does impact you, you want to be thinking about, is there something that we can be doing now or before the end of the year to take advantage of the much, much higher estate tax exemptions? So keep an eye on that, and I'll be keeping an eye on it as well. There aren't any proposals at this point on what the administration wants to do with the estate tax. But of course, I'll be keeping an eye on that and we'll let you know as things progress through the year. So I hope that's helpful for you today, and we'll see you again next week. Thanks.